Nick Wolf. Here's a tutorial on how to utilize the Career Center page on your Handshake. First of all, again, you're going to log into Handshake using your single sign-on like you would logging into Canvas. So your Point Loma credentials will get you into here. You're going to go into pointloma.joinhandshake.com and sign on through there. Again, you'll come up to this page here. This is your landing page. You're going to navigate over to Career Center. And again, there's a couple of things you're going to be able to do here. First and foremost, you're going to set appointments with me, your dedicated career coach. So if you want to set an appointment with me to meet about anything career related, you're going to click on appointments. You're going to click on schedule a new appointment. Then you're going to click on coaching, and then you're going to click on career coaching, and then it'll give you all my open availability for coaching appointments. Each appointment's about 30 minutes. Typically, we don't need longer than that. If you wind up needing longer, we can always schedule more time, and so that's not an issue. But you're basically going to navigate to a day. So I want to Tuesday, this September 9th, and I want to do a meeting at 9:30. Now, if you felt you needed an hour, you could actually, if this is available, you could click on both of these, and it'll take you from 9:30 to 10:30. But typically, I find 30 minutes is plenty of time for us to usually get what we need done. So you're going to click on this. You're going to select medium. Typically, I prefer face-to-face, but you can also, if we needed to, do a Zoom video call. That's not a problem. And then you're going to just type in what you're hoping to get done in that meeting. So I would like to work on my resume. And so you're going to resume. And then you're going to click request. That'll come to my email. It'll get uploaded into my Google Calendar, and then it'll be set, and then you just come in for the meeting. So this is a really easy way for you to set up a meeting with me. All my available time is in there, and so it's an easier way as opposed to just emailing me and trying to find a time. So this is the best way to use that. So the other thing you can do when you navigate to the Career Center is you can look at some of the resources we have available. And so these are going to be career resources. What does it look like? Professional branding. How do you brand yourself as a professional? There's all sorts of information in here about that. You can go back to Career Center, click on resources. If you want to develop a new resume, you click on build a resume. You can go through the resources here. There's this video you can watch that outlines what's critical in a resume, and then you can click on one of these resume templates. I can click on the creative resume template if I'm maybe in marketing, click on this, and it'll allow me to go through and actually update this information. I can actually change it. So this is a good template. It gives you action words that you can use. And so we've got a couple of different templates in here that you can use. So this is a great resource for you to use when you're trying to build your resume, and we want to make sure that that when you come in for a resume appointment, you've already got something built, and then what we're going to do is fine tune it. Okay, and so that's what it looks like when you go into the Career Center tab of Handshake. It's a great resource. It's the way that you're going to need to now set an appointment with me, because it's the easiest way. And if you again need resources, that's all there. So this is your Career Center resources for Maine School of Business. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.